battery-powered automatic air freshener from Airwick has a floral lavender and lotus scent and is super easy to set up. All you have to do is insert the batteries and the fragrance bottle inside the device and switch it on. This air freshener also has buttons that allow you to adjust the fragrance intensity to your preference. It can be placed on any flat surfaces like a table or a shelf. It has 2,600 sprays and can last for up to 75 days. There are also a wide variety of aromatic fragrances that you can choose from.
Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Godrej Smartmatic Automatic Air Freshener. This is a Bluetooth enabled air freshener for home, office and living space. You will have to download the Godrej Smartmatic app to control this device. Using that app, you'll be able to switch it on and off, spray instantly, schedule it and other functions as well. Let's take a look at the box and see what information we can gather from here before we go to the unboxing. You can tell this is what the air freshener is actually going to look like. It has a very sleek design and it's already mentioned over here that you will need the app to control it. Bluetooth enabled smart scheduler, it's written over here as mentioned earlier. There's some smart features written over here. Instant freshness spray now button on the app. So once you have connected this to the app, you can click on the instant spray button and you'll be able to spray the fragrance. And there's a low refill alert and direct in-app refill order as well. Each refill gives 2200 sprays, which is quite a lot of sprays. A lot of directions etc. are written over here. You should go through them at least once. Basically all these steps tell you how to set up this particular device. A couple of precautions over here as well, especially since there are some pressurized containers in this box, so you have to be very careful. Basically make sure that they're not near any kind of naked flame, or you don't puncture it once you're done using it. So that's more or less all the information that you can gather from this box. One final thing over here, there's a net content written over here. Basically there's 1 unit of Godrej Airmatic device, 1 unit of aerosol refill and 2 units of alkaline batteries. Now let's open this box and see what they look like. First up we have user instructions. You should read this at least once before you start using this particular device. And this is what the automatic air freshener, the Godrej Smartmatic, looks like. There is a groove here for mounting it on the wall. And these are the various controls, your on off button and your scheduler over here as well. The aerosol can is inside and it sprays out through this nozzle over here. You can open it from this side. And this is it. This is your aerosol can from Air. It's a very popular brand as well for fragrances and perfumes and room fresheners primarily. And we also have 2 alkaline batteries right over here. And so 2 AA batteries. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Godrej Smartmatic Automatic Air Freshener.